Good morning, one and all. In today's lecture, we discuss one more concept of graph, which is path. In previous lecture, we discussed about walk and trail. You remember, walk is an alternating sequence of vertices and edges in the graph, and trail is the walk in which no edge is repeated. Okay. Now, next concept is path. The walk in which no vertex is repeated more than once, it is called as a path. Okay, what is the difference between trail and path? In trail, no edge is repeated, and in path, no vertex is repeated. If in a walk no vertex is repeated more than once, then that walk is called as a path. Okay, since vertex does not repeated, edge cannot be repeated more than once. If vertex is not repeated, then edge cannot be repeated. Therefore, every path is a trail. It is a very important sentence for exam purpose. Every path is a trail. Okay. Loop cannot be induced in a path. Number of edges in the path is called as length of the path. Similarly, walk. Any two paths of the same number of vertices are isomorphic to each other. So, in path, important statement is the walk in which no vertex is repeated. If vertex is not repeated, then that walk is called as path, and every path is a trail since in path no vertex is repeated. If vertex is not repeated, then edge is also not repeated. Therefore, every path is a trail. Okay. Next. Now consider one example. We have to find V3 to V1 path in the following graph G. Okay. So we considering path from V3 to V1. Okay. So we consider first path P1. P1 is the path. So it is denoted by capital letter P, which is starting from V3. So V3 to E1, E1 to V1. This is one of the path. Okay. Then second P2 is the path from V2 to E3, E3 to V3 to E5, E5 to V4, V4 to E6, E6 to V2, V2 to E2, and then going to V1. This is path. Okay, so here 1, 2 and 3 edges. So P2 is the path of length 3. P1 is the path of length 1. Okay, now we consider one more path P3. Now P3 is the path which is starting from V3. V3, E3, V2, V2 to E2 and then going to V1. So it is also V3 to V1 path. We have to find all paths from V3 to V1. So that's why we consider only vertices V3 to V1. So this path P3 contains 2 edges. So length of this path is equal to 2. Now P4 is one more path from V3 to V1. Starting from V3 to E3, again E3 to V2, V2 to E6, E6 to V4, V4 to E4 and then going to V1. Okay, so these are 4 paths from U to V. Consider one more path V5, V3 to E5, E5 to V4, V4 to E4 and then V1. So you may find one more path which is different from these 5 paths. Okay. Now next is cycle. Now what is cycle? A closed path is called as cycle. That means closed path. That means what? Its terminal vertices are same. That is starting and ending vertex of the path is same. Then that path is called as a cycle. Okay, but in path no vertex is repeated, no edge is repeated. Okay, so in cycle no vertex is repeated, no edge is repeated and its terminal vertices are same. Then that walk is called as cycle. The number of edges in a cycle is called as length of that cycle. Okay, we consider example here. Consider the example of graph. Okay, this is a graph. Now V1 to E1 path A, we consider path V1 to E1, V1 to E1 to V2, V2 to E2, E2 to V3, V3 to E4, then V4. So this is V1 to V4 path. There is no edge is repeated, therefore it is an path, and length of that path is equal to 3 since there are 3 edges in that path. Now this is V7 to V3. Check it. V7 to V3. V7 to V5. V5 to V6. V6 to V2. V2 to V3. It is a path of length 3. Here also no edge is repeated. Therefore it is a path. Now consider V4 to V5. Now V4. Where is V4? V4 to V5 V5 to V4, V4 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to again V4 and V4 to V6. It is not a path. Why? Since here vertex V4 is repeated. So in path no vertex is repeated also. Therefore it is not a path. Next one, V2. Now starting point is our V2. V2 to V2, E3, V4, then E4, V3, then going to V2 and end with V2. So it is a circuit. Since here no edge is repeated, here no vertex is repeated, that is starting and ending vertices is same, and no other vertex and no other edge is repeated, therefore it is a circuit or it is a cycle of length 3. Next one, V7, E9, V7. V7, E9, V7. It is a self loop. It is a circuit of length 1. That is cycle of length 1. Okay, now V2, check V2, E3, V2, E3, V4, V2, E3, V4, then E6, where is E6? E6, V5, V5 to E7, V6, then E5, E5 to V4, V4 to again E4, E4 to V3, V3 to E3, there is no E3, E2, okay. E2 and then going to V2. Now this is neither path nor a circuit, since here start and end vertex is same, but here not a path, since here vertex V4 is repeated. Vertex V4 and edge is repeated. Yes, here edge E3 is also repeated twice. Vertex V4 is also repeated twice. Therefore, it is not a path. Since it is not a path, therefore it is not a cycle. So in a cycle, no vertex and no edge is repeated. Only starting and ending vertex is same. Okay. And last one, it is the longest path from V1 to V7. It is a length of 6 path. Okay. So all of you clear the idea about walk, trail, cycle and path. Okay. Go through the notes again and solve some examples on that. I am going to give you assignment on this. Okay. Then you clear the idea about all of these things.